Oh, you're right, guys. Another muggy day. I know it's a muggy day because I walked out the front to put the bins out and someone stole my wallet. Boom, boom. I'm just back from the plots. I picked a load more runner beans. I've got 4 lots here. No, there's 3 lots here. I've saved now 1 lot. I've not had very many of them at the moment, and they are, I'll tell you in a minute, I can't remember. But this lot here, these are my own giants, which I'm not going to save as giants this year. Painted Lady, which is by far the most populous ones, with the heaviest yield. And, oh God, what's the other one? Benchmaster. Got this little tool, I've had it for a few years now. It does work. It's got a sharp blade there for cutting the ends off, for topping and tailing them. And then you poke it through here, he says. And as you pull it through, it strings the 2 sides. They fall into the bin, and there we are, some lovely stringed runner beans. So like I said, I've got 4 different types in here. I have got some saved of the individual ones. I was going to do a taste test, but not sure how I do a taste test on YouTube, because it's a bit blooming awkward, isn't it? I do save some. My cutting them, this one, like for example, I'll cut that one diagonally. It's a bit too thick to go through here. I'm not going to blanch these ones because I know I'll be using them within 3 months. My own rule is 3 months. Anything more than 3 months, I'll blanch them. You can get wider ones of these, but I imagine they'd be quite hard to pull through. Let's just do these. And we'll have some diagonal ones as well then. Once you get it going, it's quite easy. It's just... And if you're going to use one of these, let me just, I'll try to show you. Hang on, let's get the ends off. You've got a moving part and you've got a fixed part. You place the string side against the fixed part, and the moving part travels to pull the other bits off, let's say. So you get the 2 string. And put the thin end in through first. There we are. So here we are. Loads of runners ready for the freezer. Just going to vacuum seal them and catch you in a bit. Oh, there you are. 3 bags. 3 more bags. Elvis Costello might have said it's been a good year for the roses. Digwell says it's a good year for the runner beans. Catch you soon, guys. All right, guys. Getting some spuds today. These have died off just here. I'll turn you down here, you can see in a minute. These are the Kestrel, and they're the Osprey. I want the Kestrel because the homes have died back, so I hope this is going to be big. No, I hope this is too small. Let me turn you down and we'll see what we got, eh? I've got a few potato dishes planned, so I want to get these out now. Like there's 6. So there's 3, there's 3, there's 3. Yeah, that's about halfway, isn't it? Yeah. Right. Well, there's the first couple. So I put 6 in, I've got 3 out so far. Bad planning, Steve, I don't know where to put them. Looks like I'm going to have to dig most of these, they're not coming out easily. Yeah, that's the next one. It should be yeah, right. I need to go and get a digging implement, I think. Still got a bit of bindweed in here. Plastic. Trouble with me, see, I planted some morning glory in here, so I don't know if this is bindweed or morning glory. I'm not going to let it grow to find out. Do I need to dig with, or can I use my hands? Oh, that's quite soft. Right, hang on. Well, I reckon that's on the next plant. We'll leave that. No, that's not quite it, is it? Kestrel and osprey. I'll have to go and look see what osprey are like. I'll leave that one there. Not that it matters, because I'm going to eat them anyway. Right, we're down to near the bottom there. Right, let's go and get something to fiddle around in there with. Right, no comments. It's just a little trenching shovel I've spade. All right. Just waiting for the sarky comments. No, I reckon we're there, guys. I'll do. Yeah, I think these red ones might be osprey. I can't remember. I know these are kestrel. Not too bad. Nice and clean, that's for sure. I'll go put them in a carrier bag. I'll weigh them and I'll let you know how much we got. Right, that's not bad. 3.8 kilograms. Not too bad. Keep me going anyway. Right, I'm going to put the anti-cat measures down. Just some trays. And I'll put my little spade there. I know where it is then when I chuck all that in the recycling bin. Do them another day. Take care, guys. Catch you in a bit.
Potato reveal. How much potatoes do you think I'm going to find? I don't think I'm going to find any actually. Oh, in my eye.
Whose was this?
Mine.
It's a good start.
It's a bad start. It's a bad start for me. I don't have any potatoes. Yeah. Some of them are really small and some of them are like wrinkly. I definitely have the biggest one.
How are we doing, guys?
Good.
It is Kyra's spuds. There may not be many, but are they clean? Look at them. Fantastic. And here's Olivia's. Again, lovely, clean looking spuds. Oh, I can't wait to tell you what the variety is, guys. Maybe a week or two. We'll see. And here's Rowan's. I think Rowan may have the local prize for the heaviest potato. Look at this. And obviously, guys, I can't tell you the weights just now. Well, it's going to be first week of November as usual, I suppose. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this one. Look after yourselves and don't forget, look after your single seed potato challenge, spuds. There's blight around. Catch you soon.